Let me show you what we got here. They're trying to keep this elevator room cool. So they've got a portable air conditioner. Now how does a portable air conditioner work? It's got a compressor in there and a condenser, and it's got to blow hot air somewhere, right? Just like your central air or your window AC, window shaker. You got to blow hot air outside and blow cold air inside. So they're blowing the cold air out of here, which is far from cold, and they're blowing the hot air right over here, a couple feet away. Not even a couple feet. Now this is what we got over here. We're putting in a Carrier 3-ton split. I know you guys are going to say it's overkill, but we actually did manual J's and heat loss calculations in this room. And this room is a hot room. This is the boiler room over here, and this thing can be 110. So right now this room is a good, balmy, sweaty. That's all I know. It's sweaty in here. And it takes me a while to sweat. It's the middle of the summertime, and I wear my long sleeve shirt. So I don't get affected by heat. This room has to be a solid 110, 115. So what we're going to do, go ahead is mark that, level that, got that on the wall. We're going to core drill here, core drill the rest of the building, get out, and
oh, that's vague, bitch. Alright, thank you, you're up.
Basement thermostat is calling for cooling. I just adjusted the thermostat to satisfy. Damper is closing down. Hey.
We got it fixed.
Just wanted to say that I totally love and completely stole this idea from Andrew Greaves. I've been using it for, I don't know, at least 6 months. Got my valve cores, straighters, caps. I love this tool here. Got my new Accu tools, Cormax, some Nylog. New addition, Blue Vac Pro in the top. I got my extension cord. I got this 3/8 hose I don't use, some oil, a Y fitting, and I got my other micron gauge and my 1/2 inch Appions there. So just wanted to say that this idea works great, man. I love it, and I stole it.
I've got an oven that when I went to calibrate it, it was 50 degrees out. And I've got a Fluke 726 process meter here. And just to verify whether or not my issue is with my controller or my thermocouple, using my meter to actually output a test thermocouple signal to my controller. So I'm 2 degrees out at 425. Now I'm outputting 225 degrees Fahrenheit. The controller is reacting. I'm only a couple degrees out at 225 degrees. So that tells me that my thermocouple is in fact bad and needs replacing.